Hey there, it's Brooke with WTI.
I have been looking for new bedding for our bed for a long time. We have a king size bed and we are constantly fighting over the blankets. I am so happy that I found this OFIXI extra large bedspread. It is so perfect. I love the pattern, but my favorite part is how big it is. It reaches right to the floor, so we no longer have to worry about fighting over the covers. We have plenty to share. Another thing I love is the microfiber fabric because it is cooling and moisture wicking. It is not hot at all. It is nice and thin, which is perfect for us hot sleepers, and it can go right into the washing machine and dryer very easily. I love that, and I also like to work from my bed, so I like to be under the covers and it is never too hot.
If you and your partner are constantly fighting over the blankets and you would like something that is good for all seasons, I highly recommend this comforter set. It is perfect and it covers the bed so well we are no longer fighting over the blankets. I highly recommend it. I think you'll love it because we do, but that's just my point of view.